Hello everyone, by drawing the mango. In order to do so, start off by making a slightly ovular shape. Do the same right beside it as well. After this, use the orange in order to highlight certain aspects of it. Now, in order to do so, add the little details. Next, continue to shade your mangoes as such. Add little leaves to the back as well to make it look all the more better. You may also use different filters on it to make it look all the more better. Next, we'll move on to making the speech. In order to do so, start off by taking a circular cylindrical shape to begin with. Now, color it all in orange or a light shade of yellow as such. Use a little bit of red on the bottom, then color the rest in green as well. Next, continue to do the same and then add black lines underneath it to signify the shadow. Next, start off by taking 3 color pencils at once and then draw a heart shape out of it. Then add a little window to it as well and color the rest in red. Add the rest of it in yellow as well. Don't forget to add little polka dots to make it look all the more realistic and better. Next, after you are done with this, you may draw on the leaves at the top. Don't forget to shadow it at the bottom. Take a fruit and then take multiple markers. Draw on the shape of the fruit and then mark it out accordingly. Add light green for the insides as well. Then add circles to the center accordingly. Add yellow all around. Once you are done with this, you may remove the seeds in the center. Also smoothen it out using a tissue. Next, start off by drawing multiple balls as such or ovular shapes. Connect them to make them look like tissues. Now for the last portion of it, draw an ovular shape, however do not color it in as yet. Following this, you may color in the rest of it as well. Next, start off by coloring in the leaves at the top. You may also shade this portion of it to make it look all the more better. Following this, you may also connect the third cherry to the others. Next, we'll be learning how to draw these pairs. In order to do so, make double layers to it. Next, following this, continue to color on the rest of it as well. Add a little antennae to it at the top. Continue to shade the sides of it by using a slightly darker shade of yellow as such. Once you are done with the shading portion of it, make sure that you make it even throughout and then add orange highlights to it. Thank you for watching.